So hello and welcome to another day and another review of FIFA World Cup 2026. And today is a special day because today I'll be hosting this show under the moonlight and a night show. So today is 22nd of June 2026 and currently it's 9:38 p.m. in the evening. Within next 1 hour, Argentina versus Austria match is about to start of Group J, and this is the second match of Argentina's FIFA World Cup 2026 campaign. Today I also have my younger brother waiting for second shoot after this, which will be shooting for the content which he is posting on his socials right now. So before that, let's start. Also, before I start the review and talk about this match, I would like to also share that from now on I'll be switching my content a little bit because I was thinking lately that I was forcefully doing the reviews of the match which I generally don't like or want to discuss, because I don't want my content to revolve mostly around football and sports. I am only following World Cup primarily because of few players, as I mentioned earlier, and because they have the very last campaign of as FIFA World Cup, like main three, Messi, Neymar and Ronaldo, all three have their last campaign, international campaign, if I'm not wrong. At least for sure Ronaldo has this is his last World Cup, and after this he'll be retiring, or he'll 100% sure not be playing another World Cup. So that's why my goal was just to record these moments and just share my raw thoughts and how I am watching and how I am excited to see that historic moment, and hopefully he wins the World Cup. If any hater is not there, so hopefully he wins the World Cup. And so now I have decided that I'll be not doing anything forcefully or something like pushy just to promote content or just to get engagement. Like most of the time I saw, like recently I was looking back to my content and reviews I was doing, I was not so much interested in the match which I was talking about. So now I'll be just doing or posting videos around the stuff which I am really interested. So let's talk about today's match. Today is Argentina's versus Austria's match. Before that, yesterday night, Spain scored 4-0 victory over Saudi Arabia, and this is what we were expecting from Spain. Like Spain did a comeback yesterday, Brazil did a comeback a few days ago. Now it's time to make a comeback from Portugal. Sorry for the disturbance. So today is Argentina versus Austria. Messi will be playing, and I'll be also going to do a live reaction and watch along, not on YouTube on this platform but on my other socials. This is also something which I decided lately, that I will not be doing live stream on this platform until I have a few people or some audience to whom which I can talk to and interact with. Until then, I'll be learning my orating skills, commentatory skills and other skills, basically communication skills, on other platform like Kick and Twitch. I'll be live on them. So if you are new on this channel and you want to join me for a watch along, you can join there. So yesterday Yamal scored his very first goal. Sorry for the disturbance again, there are few crazy people in our city also. So Yamal scored his very first goal, and this is the start of another era. Like now the sport is slowly shifting, the old people are retiring, and the legends which I saw from last 4 to 5 years, almost half of the Real Madrid squad I saw in front of me, like leaving Madrid, and other big clubs legends are leaving. So now the young generation is coming up again. I might follow after this World Cup campaign as well as, but for now I'll be just focusing on the World Cup itself. So today is Argentina versus Austria, and I'm hoping that Argentina would be Austria is a good country. I have watched last World Cup game as well, and I have heard a lot about them, that this is a good team. But this would be maybe in my life maybe second or third time watching Argentina's World Cup game. I only saw maybe twice in 2022 World Cup, and this would be the first game of the World Cup which I'll be doing watch along, and I'll be seeing live Messi playing, because this is also a greatness. I am not in favor of like just idolizing one person and not looking about the greatness of others. So that's why I'll be doing a watch along for that. Tomorrow is the day, is the day. Yes, Manju. Tomorrow is the day which we are waiting for. Hopefully, if we are hoping that if Portugal wants to at least reach till the group of 32, where chances are very getting very slimmer that they might reach to even the semis because of the form they are having right now. But if they have to reach to the round of 32, then they have to not only win but made a huge win so that they could go at the top of the table. Tomorrow is Portugal versus Uzbekistan. I'll be watching that very deeply. So yeah, that's it regarding the World Cup campaign. And also, just to give you a quick update, that next month, or definitely till the end of the next month, or even in August, maybe first week of August, I'll be leaving my home and this room where I was staying for last 5 years, and I'll be shifting to college. So I'll be starting a very new journey there, and I'll be doing whatever I want to do. I have few ideas in my head, so just wanted to share that. And now it's time to leave.